Let's talk about Upsert Flows. Upsert Flow allows you to either insert a new record or update an existing one based on a matching field, ensuring data integrity without duplicate records. It combines the functions of both create and update in a single action. This matching record feature in Salesforce Flow allows users to identify matching records using custom criteria without writing complex formulas or adding multiple flow elements. Let's get into a scenario. Consider a company ABC have a custom screen to capture lead. The GRE of the company enters leads in that screen who is not aware of any other objects in Salesforce. On day 1, GREA records customer A's name and phone number, creating a new record. 2 days later, GREB captures details for the same customer, including their phone, address, and email. Instead of creating a duplicate, Salesforce identifies the existing record using the email as a unique key. The system then updates customer A's existing record with the new details entered by GREB. Let's get into a demo. A screen flow has already been created and added a screen to capture lead information, and then creating leads with details given in the screen before that. Here I'm checking with lead with email address. There will be 4 options: upsert and flow behavior, single matching record, update, updates the first matching record. Skip, ignores the matching record without updating or deleting it. Multiple matching records, update. Most recent, updates the record with the latest last modified date. Skip all, ignores all matching records, performing no updates or deletions. This is the output screen. Now I'm creating a lead just with name, company name, and email. Lead has been created. Now I'm creating another lead with same email address and filling all other details. This time the previously created lead with same email address will be updated. Lead has been updated successfully. The Upsert function in Salesforce Flow offers several key benefits. Prevention of duplicate records. It reduces duplicate entries. Efficient data management. By combining insert and update actions, it streamlines processes and saves time. Better data accuracy. Updates are applied to the correct records, maintaining data integrity. Improved user experience. Users interact with accurate, up-to-date information, enhancing overall efficiency. Thank you.